Hi guys and welcome back on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to do the initial setup on Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So let's do it. So here is my phone. First you need to select your language. Just press on this blue button and now I will select let's say English. Okay, United States, and now just tap next. And here for your review, check out the privacy policy. I will check the first one and then just tap agree. Okay, and now set up using another device. To copy the settings, accounts and more from another phone or tablet, keep it nearby and unlock. I don't want to do this and I will tap skip. Now you need to choose a Wi-Fi network. Okay, and I will choose my network and I will enter the password and now tap connect and tap next. Now getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. Checking info. And here you can sign in your Google account if you want. You can press skip if you don't, but I will sign in and I will type my email and password and tap next and now my password and again tap next. Here tap I agree. Now getting account info. You can copy apps and data. I will choose don't copy. And my account has been added. Just tap next. And you can restore data from an old device. I don't want to do this and I will tap don't restore. Okay, here are some Google services. Usually I go down and tap accept. And here you need to choose your search engine. I will choose Google and just tap next. Here you can protect your phone with face recognition, fingerprints, PIN, password or pattern. I will do this later and I will choose skip and skip anyway. Now checking. You can set up your Google Assistant. I don't want to do this right now because it takes a lot of time. I will tap skip. Okay, skip again. And here you can review some additional apps. If you want to install or not, I will uncheck and tap OK. And now getting my phone ready. Okay, and this is the second account, the Samsung account. If you want, you can put it on your phone. If you don't have one, just create an account. I have one, but I will not sign in right now and I will tap skip and skip again. Okay, here are some Samsung services. I agree with all. And here you can choose your display preference. I will choose dark and tap next. Okay, and you are all set up. Just tap finish. And here is my phone. That's all. So it is very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you and see you to the next. Have a nice day.